So I'm actually here doing a room tour for the Carnival Horizon room 11226, and I'm going to start from the outside. So basically, from the outside, come straight in. We have 1, 2, 3 closets. You get these nice pretty robes and slippers here. Nice stand-up mirror here because I love this. And then on this side, we got your safe, 3 drawers, the couch, table, and then large bed. The flat screen is a good size too. And this is the view from the balcony door.
Welcome aboard Carnival Cruise Line.
So, I'll move the window back. There's our balcony. Ooh, Horizon. Ooh. There's Miami. There's the port of Miami. Oh. So we just saw Shaq in the lobby, which was pretty cool. He was in the middle of an interview, but I wonder if they're going to do some photo ops for him. So the bathroom, same size as a normal bathroom, but the greenish kind of colors. And then the Elmer's products. It's supposed to be higher quality products that they give you to use, which would be these here. And that's shampoo, conditioner, lotion, and shower gel. So, and here's the shower. Shower heads, same as usual, just different color schemes. But we are on our way to Lido, so gotta go eat. And we'll be back.